Dear kids, hope you all are doing well. So, once again, your Priyanka Miss is with you, of course, concerning a class, and once again, it is from November. Okay. On the earlier two classes, we have seen two different question patterns concerning the topic plural or singular number. Okay. But Miss already told you that you might have so many, you may have different type of question patterns, like earlier we have solved question pattern like just put the plural form in the box. Okay, then we practiced that place the correct form of the number into the correct column, huh? So then now we will have another kind of question pattern, like here Miss is given some of the questions into the fill in the gaps types pattern. So here fill in the gaps with correct number. Today we are going to solve fill in the gaps with correct number. In this pattern, you will have an incomplete sentence. You have to complete the sentence. That means you have to fill the gaps in seeing the numbers. That means seeing the quantity of the things or seeing the figure of the things. Okay, like here you can see Miss has given 1 to 6 examples, I mean for you as your task. So you can see the sentences are incomplete, so you need to complete the sentences by putting the correct noun here. That means you can put singular number or plural number, but seeing the quantity of the things. Okay, so here so before starting the class, please have your own exercise book with you so that you can practice with me right now and you can note the questions down right now. Okay, babies? So, as you can see, in number one, we have written Iftekhar has, we know who is Iftekhar. Iftekhar is one of the best boys in our class. He is very calm and very brilliant student, and he basically maintains a good relationship, and I mean, he shares a sort of very cute bonding to each and everyone, doesn't he? Of course, even I love him so much. So Iftikhar has two days. After the days in the bracket, you will have, after every question, after every gap, you will have two options. Okay, into a bracket. So from the options, after reading the whole sentence, you need to choose one option, seeing the options into the bracket. Okay, so here Iftikhar has 2 days, 2 days, and in the bracket you can see pencil and pencils. So seeing the word 2, you can sense, is it only one? No. So here Miss has circled the number 2. Okay, so seeing the 2, you can sense it's not only one. That means it is more than one. So if it is more than one, so what should I put here? Pencil or pencils? Remember, if it is about one more, if it is about more than one thing, then it should be in plural number. So should I put here pencil? No, it is not plural. What is the plural? Pencils. So we are going to put here Iftikhar has 2 pencils. Iftikhar has 2 pencils. So we are done. Iftikhar has 2 what? 2 pencils, not pencil. So coming to the second one, it is Tiana. And Tiana is one of the most beautiful girls in our class. So Tiana got a this. Tiana got a this, and into the bracket you can see here 2 options are given. One is pen and another one is pens. Okay. So pen and pens. So here just before the gap you can see here a is there. Okay, so if it is about a means only one. So if it is about only one thing, what should we put? Should we put any extra s just after the specific word or specific thing? No, we can never add any s just after the word if it is singular. Okay, so here it's saying that Tiana got a desk, a pen or pens. As here a is there, so seeing the a, we can sense it can never be pens, cause pens is plural number. So the singular form of pens is pen. So what should we write here? We should write pen. Tiana got a pen. That means Tiana got only one pen, not more than one pen. Okay, if it is more than one, then it would be pens. Okay, so as she has got only one thing, that means only one pen in number, so we don't need to put pens, we should put pen. So please note it down. Tiana got a pen. So our next question is, Yosha saw 15 dash. Yosha saw 15 dash. And after the dash or after the gap, you can see in the bracket there are two options like bird and birds. Okay, so one is in the singular number and another one is in the plural number. So can you see the word just before the gap? Here just before the gap, what's the number? 15. Is 15 1 or more than 1? Of course it is more than 1. Okay, so if it is more than 1, what should we write? Should I put s just after bird? No, we can never do so. So you shall show 15 bird or birds. Can we put s? Of course. Of course we need to put s. Rather we can never put just bird. Why? Because it is 15. Okay, don't be panicked and don't be confused. Just seeing the number of the thing like 15, 6, 4, these are the numbers. Okay, if it is not only one, if it is about more than one, then it would be in plural number. So 15, it's a of course it's a huge amount, so it is at least it is more than one, so we can't put only bird, rather we should put birds. So please note it down. Yosha saw 15 birds. So here now coming to the next one, it is Todhit has 6 days. We know Todhit is a very brilliant boy in our class who always attends the class and always try to do the homework also. So Todhit has 6 days, hen or hens. Here see the word 6. Just before the gap here is a word 6. So seeing the word just before the gap, you need to understand what gonna be the number is. Okay, so 6 is of course more than 1 or just only 1. It is more than 1. Okay, can you see Miss has drawn a circle all over, I mean on the 6? Yeah, so if it is circled, then that means it is the highlighted point. Okay, so you need to highlight the figure or the quantity. Okay, if the quantity is more than one thing, that means it should be in plural number. So here 6 is more than 1, so that's why I can never put hen. I should put hens. Hens, H-E-N-S. Hens. Why? Because 6 is more than 1. That's why we need to put hens. So we are done with it. Now coming to the number 5. Here Boishakhi, and Boishakhi is another one in our class who always attends the classes. So Boishakhi buys 4 desks, toy or toys, and one of the best thing in Boishakhi that she has got the faster handwriting. She really writes very first in the class. So Boishakhi buys 4 dash. After the dash, you can see in the bracket there are 2 options. One is toy, T-O-Y, and another one is choice, T-O-Y-S. So now my question is that, can you see the word for, F-O-U-R? Can you see the word for? If I circle the word for, then you can see it. Maybe you can highlight it more. So Miss has drawn a circle over each 4. So 4 means it is more than 1. Okay. So if it is more than one thing, then should I put toy or toys? Of course toys. If it is about 1, then we could write toy. Okay. No additional s would be there. Okay. But as here it is about 4, that means more than one thing, so undoubtedly and of course surely we need to put an additional s. Okay, and so to say it will become what? It will become like 4 toys, not toy. Okay, so we are going to put here toys. We are going to put what? Toys. toys. Please write it down right now. So we are done with number 5. So here Boishakhi buys 4 what? Boishakhi buys 4 toys. Boishakhi buys 4 toys, not toy. Okay. So moving on, the next one, Kirti Joya. Yes, here's the another one who is really very cute and very well behaved girl. So she is Kirti Joya, one of the most popular girls in our class. So Kirti Joya ate in desk. So after the gap, you can see in the bracket here 2 of the options are there, like egg and eggs. Okay. So just you need to notice the very close word, very close clue just before the gap. Okay, so before gap you can see the word n. Can you see? So Miss is going to make a circle on it so that you can highlight it more. Now can you recognize it different way? So Kirti Joya ate N. Here in the circle, Miss has highlighted N by making a circle on it so that you can sense that N means only one thing. It is not more than one. Okay. So if it is about only one thing, then should I put here X? No. X is plural form, so we should put here a singular form. So the singular is egg, so we are going to put here egg. So in this way we have done every sentences, and we complete putting the correct number. Okay, so I hope you won't find any difficulties now in solving such type of question pattern. So hope we will meet very soon on the next class. Till then, stay well and take care.